All right, what's going on YouTube? Lakeith Mullen here, aka 392 Drip. I'm actually at this shop getting some more work done on my car. About to get the hood wrapped, so hopefully it turns out good. I actually ended up going with the gloss black instead of the matte black, just because the rest of my car is gloss. So hopefully it looks a little bit better. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. What's up, bro? Junior over here cutting up, man, with the lights. Putting everybody to shame. Probably. Chemical.
Let me drive the boat. Hot at night. Hot.
I got some super good news. I've been complaining about this problem with my car for the longest time. I'm about to get it lowered. And I think you guys should definitely check out this wheel gap, because I think it's something that really needed to be done. Something that I just hate. Every picture I took, that's like the first thing that I notice is like that friggin' 2-3 inch damn wheel gap. Look at how big that gap is.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's terrible. I'm about to go pick up my car. Dude just called me, said my car is ready to go, man. I can't wait to see it. That thing about to be low. Yeah, I'm kind of curious to know how the handling is going to be affected. I don't know. I hope the alignment's going to be straight after. I mean, I'll probably drop like a video maybe a week or two after, just to, you know, describe or explain how the car's riding, because I heard that sometimes there could be problems with the alignment and shit like that. So yeah, let's go check it out. It smells like weed, don't it? Damn, what the fuck? It smells like fat ass dank out here. Hey, we in San Bernardino, so it smells like fucking weed up in this bitch. Damn, yo, no gap. Ooh. Oh, yes, now it looks aggressive. Look at that, man. And my lady hates it. All right, you guys, I have to film this next portion of the video the next day, so please forgive me. Okay, so I ended up going with the Eibach Pro Kit lowering springs as opposed to getting the H&R lowering springs. Now, I'm sure that those work just as fine. I want to say it's a 1.7 drop in the rear and a 0.7 drop in the front. Before, I could fit about 3 fingers in the wheel well, and now, I mean, you can virtually fit nothing really. I mean, you got to kind of slide your fingers in there, so that's a significant drop. In the front, didn't drop as much, but it was definitely necessary, in my opinion. Now, I've heard that there's been complaints about ride stiffness when it comes to getting lowering springs as opposed to getting coilovers or bag suspension or air suspension, sorry. This is what, the 3rd day that I've had mine installed, and I haven't noticed any stiffness whatsoever. If anything, the ride is a whole lot smoother. I feel a lot more snug to the ground, and it feels a little bit safer. And of course, this is my daily. The next thing that I might do, I might actually get some, probably like some 5mm spacers in the back, just to bring my wheels out a little bit more, because they're pretty tucked in. See, it's actually, yeah, it's tucked in a lot more. I want to bring this out. I'm probably not going to mess with the front wheels. I think those are just fine. I think it'll be a pretty cool little staggered look. So that's probably going to be the next mod that I get done. And if you guys haven't noticed, this is what my wrap looks like the day after. Now yesterday it wasn't really hot, and I heard that it's got to be fairly hot outside for everything to set, get all the bubbles out and the swirls and all that good stuff. But it's looking pretty good so far. I mean, I love the drop. This is a necessity in my book. I hate huge wheel gaps. It's so annoying, especially when I'm taking pictures. That's the first thing that I notice, man. So and if you guys are wondering about the price, I ordered my springs through the shop, and it came out to be around a little bit over $800 to get my car lowered with the Eibach Pro Kit lowering springs. If you guys haven't already, please hit that like button, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified of when I drop my next banger. I think the next video that I drop is going to be a race. I got called out by a 2017 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, and I want to say his is modified as well, so that's going to be a fun POV video, all shot on my GoPro. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Catch you later.